Myself Miss Tejasri Kospe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is utilization of electrical energy. So in this video, you will learn about practical number 15, which is prepare energy bill based on energy consumption of residence or institute. First is practical significance. So electricity is a powerful form of energy that is essential to the operation of almost every facility in the world. So it is also an expensive form of energy that can represent a significant portion of a manufacturing facility's cost of production. Approved rate of return by Energy Regulation and Development Authority along with the utilities cost structure determine prices customers will pay. Relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So first PO is PO5. The engineer and society assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Supply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental constant. PO7 is ethics. So apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PO9 is communication. So communicate effectively in oral and written form. Third is competency and skills. So this practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, which is maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems. Skill to calculate energy bill based on energy consumption. Fourth is relevant course outcomes, which is use equipment for economic operation. Fifth is practical learning outcome, which is prepare energy bill based on energy consumption of residence or institute. Next one is minimum theoretical background. So key elements of your electricity bill is electricity metering. Electric utilities meter both the real and reactive power consumption of a facility. Billing demand, a charge applied to any energy customer for energy made available implicitly for that customer. Contract demand, the kilowatt or kVA demand as mutually agreed between distribution licensee and consumer, used to calculate the demand charge in each billing period. Energy consumption, the other major component of an electric bill is energy. The same metering equipment that measures power demand also records customer energy consumption. Energy consumption is reported in kilowatt hours or megawatt hours. Load factor is one useful parameter to calculate each month is the ratio of average demand to the peak demand. Power factor for effective electricity cost reduction. It is important to understand how the customer's electric utility recoups its cost associated with reactive power requirements of a system. Electricity duty is levied at the rate for per unit consumed, that is at 1.28 rupees per unit. Fuel adjustment charges, that is electricity tax, which is 16%. So practical setup, students should attach recent residential or commercial electricity bill. So you have to attach your electricity bill in this space. Next is resources used. So which is the electricity bill is showing current meter reading and last meter reading. Suggested tariffs are units electricity energy consumption charges. 0 to 100 is 3.05, 101 to 300 is 6.95, 301 to 500 9.9, 501 to 1000 is 11.5 and less than 1001 is 12.50. And fuel adjustment charges are 0 to 100 is 0.36, 101 to 300 0.61, 301 to 500 is 0.79, 501 to 1000 is 0.83 and below 1001 is 0.88. Precautions to be followed: take the value of fixed charges properly, take the charges of electricity duty and tax properly. Procedure is note the current energy meter reading, subtract the last reading from the current reading and get the value of total energy consumed. Then multiply the above value by energy rate in your area to get total energy charge. Next, total electricity bill is equal to fixed charge plus energy charge plus electricity duty plus fuel adjustment tax plus electricity tax. So you have to calculate total electricity bill. Next, resources used. So you have to write down the resources which you used for these practicals. Next is actual procedure followed and precautions followed. And you have to write down the observations, that is details of consumer, name of the consumer, type of consumer, billing period. Next you have to write down current meter reading, last meter reading, total units consumed and total energy charge. Next, write down fixed charges, electricity duty, electricity tax, fuel adjustment tax, energy charges, and calculate total electricity bill by using above formula which they have given in procedure. Next you have to write down result, interpretation of result, and conclusion, and complete your manual. Thank you.